Bog, ja sam Iva i magistar sam edukacije hrvatskog jezika i književnosti. I learned Croatian language in secondary school and have experience working with adult learners. I've also developed a language program for children, Planet Priča, to support mother tongue development. I've created this course, Croatian for beginners, for people who moved in Croatia for any reason, but also for those who are simply curious and want to learn the basics of Croatian language. The course is designed for absolute beginners with no prior knowledge of Croatian required. The course is divided into 6 sections, and by the end of the course you will be able to use everyday Croatian phrases and expressions, introduce yourself and others and ask simple personal questions, have basic conversations about daily topics, read and write short, simple texts, understand basic grammar and spelling for clear communication. And now I tell you a few reasons why I choose Udemy. First, Udemy is trusted and easy to use learning platform. Second, if you don't understand something, you can easily message me and I will be happy to help you. And third, of course, once you finish the course, you will receive a certificate of completion. To succeed in this course, you'll need motivation and, more importantly, discipline. And a pen and a notebook will help you take notes and make your learning easier. At the end, I just want you to know that language is more than a tool for communication. It helps us connect with others and makes a life in your country easier. So let that be your motivation as you learn. I wish you the best of luck at your Croatian language journey.